guys? Welcome to the Podcast channel.
And today we're gonna make
strawberry smoothies. Cookies.
No, strawberry milkshakes.
Oh, that's nice.
So, here's sugar sprinkles. Episode 2. Last episode was like a year ago.
You will need strawberries, a blend-tech blender, vanilla ice cream, milk, measuring cup.
That's all you need. So, to do it, Sprinkles, I have no idea what to do because I wasn't here last time you made this.
So first you have to add 1 pint of ice cream, which will take a while.
Not pint.
Pint. 1 pint of ice cream, which will take a while. By the way, Sal will never be able to do this because he's so weak. Noodle arms. So,
yeah, we'll be right back to when she gets the 1 pint.
Why is ice cream so sticky?
Oh no. Maybe our brand is sticky.
No wonder it's so creamy.
Okay, so we got the pint
of ice cream. So now
we're gonna put the milk.
We have to have 2/3.
I'll tell Sprinkles when we have 2/3. More. Done. There, nearly perfect. Just nearly.
Okay, so
we're gonna pour it in.
Satisfactory.
Oh yeah.
It's lumpy.
Look at that. I don't want to drop my phone.
By the way, this is really easy because it's only 3 ingredients: milk, ice cream, and strawberry.
Okay, so no, not there. We need to get the most out of strawberries. Okay.
Yeah, but look here.
Oh. Well, we can't add a green?
I don't really like green.
Really?
Yeah, it leaves these green, like, bits inside of the, smoothie.
Go from there? Yeah, cut down. Yeah, there. Oh, yeah.
It leaves these, like, green bits
Just
inside.
throw it in. Why are you going to cut it?
Because it, like, messes it up.
It's not compilations of Sprinkles chucking these in there now.
These people thick.
Oh, whoa!
They thick though.
That's a big strawberry. Ooh. I saw some of the milk and ice cream flow out.
We just need 1 small one.
Sweet Sour is not patient. He's a little baby. He's not a baby. He's like 5. Is that all we need?
Yeet.
We're going across the kitchen. We're only like 5 feet away. Onto the blender.
This is gonna be really loud till you make it scared. 3.
I'll lower the volume probably.
2, 1. Soup.
Doesn't that look great, guys?
No. You want to look?
Let's take
a look.
Wow.
Soup.
It's bubbly. Okay, we're right back to when, I don't know, we put it in a cup.
That's some good quality. Can make some messy life.
Doesn't that look nice?
Okay, that's all for the video. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Become a Paco Taco. See ya.
So, yeah. Bye.